Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sagi. How you guys doing? Thank you for subscribing if you're subscribed, and if you're new, please hit the subscribe button and welcome to my channel. Today I'm taking you through a journey. My minimalist bride. I doesn't like lashes, doesn't like too much makeup, she doesn't wear earrings. I just thought I'd film this process for you guys, and yes, here we are. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please kindly watch this video to the end, and trust me, you will enjoy it. So first up, I got there early, and it's okuku. So if you don't know what okuku is, in Edo State, this is a traditional attire that a bride wears to pay her bride price. So yeah, basically that is what okuku is. So I am doing her basic skin work, hydrating the skin, moisturizing the skin, setting the face, priming the face, and then applying foundation and all of that. She was basically on her phone here checking to see that I'm doing what she wants me to do. She doesn't want thick brows, she doesn't want too much blush on the face, she doesn't want bold lips. Left for her, she will really just allow them pay her bride price without doing anything. But please, I said but definitely her aunties and all of that said, no, she has to do something. So yeah, she is very minimal, she is very simple, very down to earth. Like, she doesn't want anything too much, because I don't want color on my eyes, I don't want anything. So I just opted for a halo eyeshadow look that wasn't really pumping, and then she opted for like the smallest lashes ever. Like, I wish I could convince her to wear beautiful long lashes and she said no, she doesn't even want to wear. Just if she must wear, it has to be something very small, the smallest. Our brows had to just be really thin, nothing too much like that. I don't know if it's her church thing and all of that. Part of it is a church thing anyway. So everybody with their own belief, with their own style. So what do you think of having something, doing your bridal makeup and it's very minimal, like an everyday look? Like, what do you think? Is it something that you want to opt for? Is it something like, no, I can't do it, no, it's my bride, it's my wedding day, it has to be wow, it has to be awesome? For me, I think everybody should do what they like. I think she's doing what she likes and she's enjoying it. The basic thing is she's getting married today, and she is enjoying herself, she's happy, and that's what matters to her. So what every other person thinks, doesn't really matter and all of that. So yes, she is very minimal to a fault. Like, I have never ever seen a bride like this before. But I think it's a thing, yeah, and very humble also. She see her checking out and checking the mirror to see that I am not doing anything that she didn't want. Like, basically, my hands were itching me to do extraordinary, yeah, but hey, so I'm doing what I've been asked to do, or what I've been paid to do, so I had to do it. So they're finishing their okuku and getting her ready, start taking her pictures, and go collect her bride price and all of that. Yeah, so please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I hope you have subscribed to my channel now. Please do just hit the subscribe button, pump, just like that. Very easy. It doesn't buy, doesn't take your data. Yes. So here's me fixing this very small lash. Like, on a normal day I can't even wear these lashes. Let's talk of my wedding day, but hey, it is what she wanted. I want you guys to let me know what you think in the comment section. Can you do this on your wedding day? Can you just go really minimal, or can you even go without any of all of this? Because I've seen people have their wedding and they are not doing any of this. I wish I could shout, like honestly, too much of everything is not good. So I think sometimes being minimal, being simple, being easy is awesome. It just keeps you in your lane, and if you feel that's what you want, I think you should go for it anyway. Yeah, that's what's up. So my bride is almost ready. At the end, I wasn't really feeling her lips, so I had to just do some popping. I knew it. I beg, let me pop it a little, and she finally gave in, and I just did something, to really make it just something to be there. But I enjoyed myself anyway. Like I said, she's very minimal, she's very simple, she's very humble, she's very sweet, and yeah, no earrings. Like she literally walked out, like did all her wedding rites without wearing earrings, without any fancy things. And not like she can afford them, but it's just a person. Anyway, this brings me to the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I enjoyed myself. Thank you so much for my bride for trusting me, and thank you for staying tuned, for watching this video to the end. God bless you as you do so. Please subscribe to my channel. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.